First question. Which of the following amendments is also called the Mini Constitution of India? Correct answer is option B. 42nd Amendment. Question number 2. Article 60 of the Indian Constitution refers to. Correct answer is option B. Oath of the President. Question number 3. In which year was the first amendment to the Indian Constitution made? Correct answer is option A. 1951. Question number 4. In which of the following years was Sikkim given statehood? Correct answer is option C. In 1975. Question number 5. Where among the following was the first municipal corporation established in India? Correct answer is option B. Madras. Question number 6. Where was the first session of the Constituent Assembly held? Correct answer is option D. In New Delhi. Question number 7. Why was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly elected on the 11th of December 1946? Correct answer is option B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 8. How many present members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution? Correct answer is option B. 284. Question number 9. In which year was the states reorganized on the basis of language? Correct answer is option A. 1956. Question number 10. In which year was the Mali Minto Reforms Bill passed? Correct answer is option B. In 1909. Question number 11. From which of the following countries has the Indian Constitution acquired the form of written constitution? Correct answer is option C. US. Question number 12. When was Balwant Rai Mehta Committee formed? Correct answer is option A. From Panchayati Raj system. Question number 13. What is the name of the first state of India formed on the basis of language? Correct answer is option C. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 14. By which article has the right to education for children, aged 6 to 14 years been considered a fundamental right? Correct answer is option C. Article 21A. Question number 15. Which schedule was added to the Indian Constitution by the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act? Correct answer is option D. 12th schedule. Question number 16. From where was B.R. Ambedkar elected to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option A. From West Bengal. Question number 17. When was the state of Madhya Pradesh formed? Correct answer is option C. The 1st of November 1956. Question number 18. How many representatives were there for the princely states in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B. 93. Question number 19. The representative of which princely state did not participate in the assembly? Correct answer is option C. Hyderabad. Question number 20. In 1936, which person demanded the formation of a constituent assembly on the basis of adult franchise? Correct answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 21. By whom was the demand for the formation of a constituent assembly first presented in 1895? Correct answer is option D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 22. Under which article of the Indian Constitution the Controller and Auditor General is appointed? Correct answer is option C. Article 148. Question number 23. In which article of the Constitution instructions have been given for the development of Hindi language? Correct answer is option D. Article 351. Question number 24. In India, the concept of single citizenship has been adopted. Correct answer is option A. From England. Question number 25. The system of election of the President in the Indian Constitution has been taken from which country? Correct answer is option C. Ireland. Question number 26. From whose constitution is the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution taken? Correct answer is option D. Constitution of Australia. Question number 27. The proposal to amend the Indian Constitution has been taken from the constitution of which country? Correct answer is option B. South Africa. Question number 28. Who was given special status under Article 370? Correct answer is option A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 29. In which article is the word cabinet mentioned? Correct answer is option B. Article 352. Question number 30. Right against exploitation comes under which article? Correct answer is option B. Article 23 to 24. Question number 31. The President of India comes under which article? Correct answer is option A. Article 52. Question number 32. In which article is the process of impeachment mentioned? Correct answer is option A. Article 61. Question number 33. By which Amendment Act of the Indian Constitution was the Panchayati Raj system given constitutional status? Correct answer is option C. 73rd Amendment Act. Question number 34. How many members were there in the drafting committee of the Constitution? Correct answer is option A. 7 members. Question number 35. What is Article 356 related to? Correct answer is option C. President's rule. Question number 36. Who appoints the members of the State Public Service Commission? Correct answer is option A. Governor. Question number 37. Who appoints the Finance Commission? Correct answer is option C. President. Question number 38. When did Pitt's India Act come into existence? Correct answer is option B. 1784. Question number 39. In which article of the Indian Constitution specific provisions related to different states are mentioned? Correct answer is option C. Article 371. Question number 40. The specific provisions given in Article 371G of the Constitution of India are related to which state? Correct answer is option C. Mizoram. Question number 41. Who among the following has the right to change the name of a state? Correct answer is option B. To the Parliament. Question number 42. Where can we see the ideals of Indian democracy under the Constitution? Correct answer is option B. Preamble. Question number 43. What lies the sovereignty of India? Correct answer is option D. The people of India. Question number 44. Which name of the country is mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option C. Bharat and India. Question number 45. How many times has the preamble of the Constitution been amended? Correct answer is option C, only one. Question number 46. Directive Principles of State Policy has been taken from which country? Correct answer is option A, Constitution of Ireland. Question number 47. The word secular in the preamble of the Indian Constitution is used in which of the following? Correct answer is option B, 42nd Amendment. Question number 48. Who has the right to form a new state or change its boundaries? Correct answer is option D, to the Parliament. Question number 49. Who was responsible for the merger of more than 500 princely states, native states, into India? Correct answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 50. The right to equality is provided by 5 articles in the Indian Constitution. It is. Correct answer is option C, Articles 14 to 18.